Hey everybody, welcome to my live. I am right on time. It is 9:31 and I am going to show you how to create rose gold ink using three of our colors. Our shimmering copper, our Couture coral, and our fawn. So as I mix these colors, I'm going to show you. I'm just going to go a little bit at a time so you can kind of see. And then we're going to create these really cute gift bags. They're like a muslin. They have like a super cute little tag, little like craft gift tag on them. And they're a cinch sack, right? Okay, and we're going to put, I have some themed gifts that I'm doing, and they're going to have the She Believed She Could, so she did, right on the front of these gift bags. So super cute. You can kind of imagine how you could do it with any of our transfers. All right, so let's get to work. So I am down here now, and I have my stuff ready, my ink mat, my transfer, and my gift bag. But we're gonna work on making our ink. So I've got some little mixers here, and I have my little non-stick pads there. Ugh, got my ink already on my fingers. Of course. Oh, you know what I need? I need my towel, my little lap towel. Everybody needs a lap towel. Okay, this is well loved and well used. So let's go ahead and scoop a scoop in here. I'm going to make a bunch of this because I'm going to be using it on several gift bags. So I'm doing 3 huge scoops. Everybody see that? Now I'm going to do the Couture coral, and I'm not going to do the same amount of scoops. I'm going to do 1 big scoop, and we'll kind of see how that goes. And then for fawn, I'm going to do a small scoop, like maybe half as much as the Couture coral. And I left my scoopers in there. And I'm going to, I like these tall ones for mixing. So these little tall ones. So I'm just going to start stirring this up and mixing it. If you've seen rose gold before, you kind of know what I'm going for. And right now, it probably doesn't look like much, to be honest, but it will when I'm done. So I'm just stirring, stirring, stirring. And, you know, I have to kind of get up close. Oh, you know what? Hi, Cindy. Hi, Christy. Hi, Marin. Actually, I am supposed to be watching this so that I can see your comments, and I had to look over at my computer because my iPad's not on. I looked up and I'm like, oh, I can't see anything. Okay, so this, I don't know if I need, I'm gonna like shine a light on this. It's very rose goldy. I wonder if I should put, Aaron, what do you think? Should I put
I don't think that's a word, rose goldy. That's one thing I think.
Okay, it is a word, if you are me. I might want to put a little, do you think I should put some more coral in it? What do you think? Or, oh, maybe lighten it up a little. I don't know. I mean, it's shimmery. It's rose. It's rosy. What are you doing?
What color's my phone?
What color is your phone? You don't have a rose gold phone, do you?
I don't know. It was a weird color, not what I wanted.
It's not what you wanted. Is it gold?
Yeah.
I don't even know. Am I frozen? Can you guys still see? Am I still moving?
Appear to be.
Green Bay! I love the Green Bay Packers. Oh, whoops. I am not supposed to talk about.
Go Vikes.
football.
My phone is not rose gold.
No, it's not.
White, but it's supposed to be silver.
Okay. I really think I did a good job. Why don't I add just a little bit more fawn to lighten it up just a little?
Is that like Bambi fawn?
No.
Okay.
Stop. It's like Bambi's polka dots. Right?
Sure.
Don't say sure. You know I hate that. All right, so I put a little bit more in to lighten it up. So right now I feel like the fawn is at a 3/4 of a scoop. So we have 3 scoops of copper, 1 scoop of coral, and 3/4 of a scoop of fawn. And I really feel like this is a good, I know it's hard for you to see this, but I think it's a good color. I think we're going to go with 3, 1, and 3/4. You might be able to do 3 of these and 1 each of those and probably get away with it.
Might have to play with it.
You might have to play with it. Just saying. Don't be afraid. Play with your ink. That's what I always say. Okay, so here I have a piece of our ink mat, and I'm gonna put it right into the bag, and I will do this for each one of the bags. And it slides right in. This is 1/3, it's 1/3 of the long ink mat, okay? The one that you can cut up into pieces. All right, so that's 1/3. And then here is my, she believes she could, so she did transfer. Set that over there. And this will fit perfectly on here. And I'm just gonna press it all down. You don't have to worry about fuzzing because I'm on fabric. I don't need to worry about anything moving. I'm getting it really pressed down. There we go. Okay, now we just need to put a little bit of this out here and start spreading the news. Oh, as I spread, the rose gold is very evident. I want you to know that I have very good confidence in the color that I chose, and I do believe after I'm done and I show you that you will also be impressed with my mixing abilities. Oh, no! Darn it. Okay, so sometimes this happens where it came a little bit unstuck. So I'm going to be careful. I was like super excited. Got a little carried away. Darn me. It's not stuck.
Stuff can happen when it's live, folks.
That is true. That is so true. Thank you, voice from over yonder. All right, it looks like I got it all. So I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to peel. It's beautiful. Now I'm going to set this here and I'm not going to clean it off. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. I know, I wonder if I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see, like, can you see the shimmer? I don't know. I want you to be able to see the shimmer. Is that a little better? Can you see the shimmer? Definitely rose gold. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this aside because I have to make so many more of these. And I'm going to go through the same process. I'm going to pull this out And then this needs to dry a little bit, but you don't want it to dry with, oops, with this inside. So you can take your little dryer and dry it. And then when it's all done, who knows what we're gonna do? We're gonna put a piece of parchment paper on it, and then we're going to either iron it, if you have an iron, or heat press it with a heat press. And that is, it'll be 30, these are cotton, so it's gonna be on a cotton setting, and it's gonna be, if you're using an iron, you're gonna go over it for 4 minutes. And because this is a gift bag, I am totally good with like 4 minutes on one side. I am going to attempt to do a second one. Actually, oh, I can't do that. It's gonna go on this side, which is fine. I'm gonna attempt to do a second one. I have to get it pushed down, and my hands have to get completely cleaned. Ugh, I just got ink everywhere, but it's pretty ink. It's very pretty ink. All right, so I'm washing my hands, drying my hands. Here we go. I'm doing the same thing I just did. Oh, now I need that light turned off. Erin, can you even reach that light? It's too shiny, can you believe?
I don't know where the switch is.
Oh, it's right here, never mind.
Okay.
I can reach it.
Guess so. Glad I got up.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. He's watching, what is this, hockey?
Hockey.
He's watching hockey.
Hockey.
Hockey. I can't even say it.
Hockey.
Hockey.
So,
Hockey.
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 Nice try, honey.
Ah, nice try. Okay. I'm about done. Let's see if this worked as well as the other one. I have a lot of this to use. And then the next time I will wash this, but I want to make sure I have no mistakes here. Ooh, it looks good. So I did 2. You probably could do multiple. However, getting it stuck down is hard. So I think washing it in between your inkings is the best. So, Kathleen, these are from Amazon. Everything I get are from Amazon. And they're just plastic stirrers, and they're a little bit long-handled. I use these little ones all the time, but I didn't want to make a mess because it's such a short handle. It's great for just stirring that up, but for this, I wanted to use the long-handled. And it did a wonderful, wonderful job. So here I go. I have 2 done. Look how cute they are. And these are going to be gift bags. And also, I have all kinds of little gifties to put inside here that are also themed with She Believed She Could, So She Did. They're very, very, very cool little gift bags that I'm making. With the rose gold. I love it. So, what have we learned? We learned that you can mix your colors to make a pretty rose gold shimmery color. And we learned that you can cut your ink mats. And what else did we learn, Erin? Anything else?
We learned my phone is not rose gold.
We learned that Erin's phone is not rose gold. It's not. So
I learned where the light switch is for that light.
Yes, and he learned so. I'm so glad you were able to hang out with us for a little bit tonight. And I hope you learned something. I love rose gold. I think it's a beautiful color. I'm going to use this up. I'm not going to bore you by doing the same transfer over and over and over on this. But that's really what I'm going to do because I have all of these yet to do.
A multitude.
A multitude of gift bags. But here you go. Gorgeous, gorgeous heat set, and then we'll be done. So everybody, thanks for watching this quick, short little live. Enjoy your Couture inks. All of this is available right now on my website, or you can contact me and we will get you hooked up. Awesome. Thanks for watching.